RHOA, Kim Zolciak's daughter, hit with multiple DUI, drug charges. Kim Zolciak's daughter, Ariana Beerman, is facing up to 6 charges in relation to her 2022 DUI arrest. The Real Housewives of Atlanta alum is standing by her daughter throughout the ordeal, pointing out that Ariana has been nothing but cooperative with police. So what is the RHOA daughter being charged with? Keep reading to find out. Ariana Beerman facing 6 misdemeanor charges. Ariana Beerman was arrested for driving under the influence on August 13, 2022. Now she has been officially charged with 6 misdemeanors in relation to the DUI arrest. The charges being brought against her include possession of drug-related objects. She was unlawfully in possession of a THC vape cartridge when she was pulled over. She's also being charged with improper turn, failure to obey signs, underage possession of alcohol, driving under the influence of alcohol, and driving under the influence of multiple substances. When she was arrested, Kim Zolciak's daughter was booked and taken into custody in Forsyth County. Ariana was reportedly pulled over after she hit another car. She was arrested with her boyfriend, Hudson McElroy, who was also in the car at the time. It was reported that Ariana claimed she hadn't been drinking even though officers smelled alcohol on her breath. She told law enforcement that the smell could have been coming from her clothes. The RHOA daughter admitted to smoking a THC vape pen the night before, but maintained that she didn't drink alcohol before getting in the cat. There was a field sobriety test conducted. Officers said there was a noticeable sway when Ariana walked. Kim Zolciak's daughter plans to fight the charges. Ariana is attempting to fight the charges being brought against her. Her lawyer, Justin Spisman, said that Kim Zolciak's daughter was just upset and anxious from the minor accident that had occurred. He also claims that the investigating officer incorrectly concluded she was impaired by alcohol. Late in 2023, Ariana filed a motion to exclude any evidence gathered as a result of unlawful seizure. Her lawyer claims that there weren't sufficient facts to be able to suspect Ariana was under the influence or that any other criminal activity was underfoot. When her daughter's arrest made it into the news, Kim Zolciak defended Ariana on social media. The Real Housewives of Atlanta alum said, since she was being cooperative and honest, she admitted to consuming marijuana the day before, meaning over 24 hours prior to her contact with the law. In the early hours of August 13, 2022, Ariana Beerman, the 20-year-old daughter of Real Housewives of Atlanta alum Kim Zolciak Beerman, found herself at the center of legal turmoil in Forsyth County, Georgia. Following a minor vehicular collision, law enforcement officers arrived on the scene, leading to Ariana's arrest on multiple charges, including driving under the influence, DUI, improper/erratic lane change, and underage possession/purchase of alcohol. Her on and off boyfriend, Hudson McElroy, also 20, was arrested alongside her, facing charges of DUI, furnishing alcohol to a minor, and violating the conditions of his limited driving permit. Ariana's legal counsel, attorney Justin Spisman, swiftly addressed the allegations, asserting her innocence. He emphasized that the incident stemmed from a minor fender bender and that Ariana was upset and anxious due to the accident. Spisman contended that the investigating officer prematurely initiated a DUI investigation and incorrectly concluded impairment by alcohol. He stated unequivocally, she wholly denies these allegations and intends to fight these charges because she is not guilty of them. The police report provided additional context to the incident. Officers on the scene noted the smell of alcohol on Ariana's breath and clothing. However, Ariana denied consuming alcohol, suggesting that the odor might have originated from her clothing. She did, however, admit to having smoked a THC vape pen the night before. During field sobriety tests, officers observed a noticeable sway, which contributed to their decision to arrest her. The arrest of Ariana Beerman garnered significant media attention, not only because of her mother's reality TV fame, but also due to the family's prominence in the public eye. Ariana, known for her appearances on Real Housewives of Atlanta and the family's spin-off series, "Don't be tardy," has been a fixture in reality television since her early teens. The incident prompted discussions about the pressures faced by young individuals growing up in the limelight and the potential challenges they encounter. In the months following the arrest, Ariana's legal team took proactive steps to challenge the charges. In September 2023, they filed a motion to suppress evidence obtained during the arrest, arguing that the initial traffic stop lacked sufficient justification. The motion claimed that at the time of the initial detention, sufficient facts did not exist to support even an articulable suspicion of DUI or any other criminal activity. Furthermore, the defense contended that any evidence gathered post-detention should be excluded from trial, labeling the initial stop as an unlawful warrantless seizure in violation of the Fourth Amendment. The motion also addressed specific aspects of the arrest procedure. Ariana's legal team questioned the validity of the field sobriety tests, suggesting that the administering officer might not have been adequately trained, thereby rendering the tests invalid. Additionally, they sought to exclude any mention of Ariana's refusal to undergo a chemical test, arguing that her refusal was justified due to concerns about the testing equipment's condition. As of now, the court has yet to rule on these motions, leaving the future of the case uncertain. This legal battle has unfolded against the backdrop of personal challenges within the Beerman family. Kim Zolciak Beerman and her husband, RHOA Beerman, have been navigating a tumultuous period marked by financial disputes and a highly publicized divorce. These familial strains have inevitably added layers of complexity to Ariana's situation as public scrutiny intensifies around the family's dynamics and legal troubles. Ariana's arrest and subsequent legal proceedings have ignited broader conversations about the responsibilities and vulnerabilities of young adults in the public eye. The incident serves as a poignant reminder of the potential pitfalls associated with fame and the importance of support systems in navigating such challenges. As the legal process continues, the case remains a focal point for discussions on celebrity culture, legal ethics, and the pressures faced by those growing up under the media's relentless gaze. In conclusion, the arrest of Ariana Beerman on multiple charges, including DUI and underage alcohol possession, has become a significant event, intertwining legal, personal, and public narratives. As the case progresses, it underscores the complexities faced by families in the public eye and the intricate interplay between personal struggles and public perception.